Hello, I'm Burger. I'm famous for my bold flavor and quick satisfaction, and people usually enjoy me as an occasional treat. Hello, I'm Soda. I'm sweet and fizzy for quick refreshment, but many people prefer to enjoy me only once in a while. Hello, I'm Broccoli. I'm full of plant nutrients that support your body's natural defenses, and I'm best enjoyed regularly with lunch or dinner. Hello, I'm Apple. My fiber supports digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied, making me a great snack during the day. Sure, I'm not an everyday meal, but sometimes people enjoy a tasty treat like me.
I may be bubbly and fun, but balance is always the smarter choice.
Healthy foods like me help support your body when you enjoy us regularly.
The real winner is balance. Enjoy treats sometimes and healthy foods every day.